Namaste. Guruji, could you please explain Sanatana Dharma?
Sanatan means something what has never started and something what will never end. And therefore, there is no starting date of Sanatana. And it never speaks that in year so and so everything will get completed and humanity will not be there for any more time. So, the meaning is that we were always there and we will always be there. That is what the meaning of Sanatana is. And the whole philosophy is based on Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Everyone present on earth, present in the universe, shall remain happy. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Everyone shall be disease free. And there should be no sadness anywhere, and the whole humanity shall live in peace, in harmony with each other. That is the principle Sanatana follows. Everyone who is born on this earth is Sanatana. And Sanatana also speaks about being Udar. What does Udar means? Udar means that he is my brother, she is my sister. She is this, she is that, he belongs to my caste, she belongs to another caste, I am from this race and I am from the other race. Sanatana says that these are all the thinking of narrow-minded people. There is a beautiful sloka and that says, Ayam bandhur yanneti Ganna laghu chetasam Udar charita naam tu Vasudhaiva kutumbakam. So the thinking of division, good, bad, you, me, different races, different castes, different creeds, are the matter of narrow thinking. And if you are Sanatana, you are away from this narrow thinking and Udar Charitanam. You have got the characteristic of a Udar person, a broad-minded person. And for you, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole worth, the whole earth is one single family. So, these are the philosophies of Sanatana. The virtues are based on honesty, on non-violence, and we follow all the sanjam and all the niyam mentioned in Yama and Niyama chapter of Ashtanga Yoga. Purity, goodwill, mercy, patience, forbearance, self-restraint, generosity, harmony in religion, asceticism. These are things Sanatana follows. We in Sanatana works on the doctrine of actions, Karma Yoga. And Karma Yoga says that your actions, your thoughts, your deeds defines how your future will be. And it is therefore necessary that all our thoughts, actions and deeds shall be devoted to our higher self, shall be devoted to source. Unlike other religions, Sanatana doesn't have a specific book. Wisdom is usually transferred from guru to disciples, and therefore there is no particular book of following. Vedas are the 4 books which are being studied and taught and learnt, and along with Vedas, Upanishads, Shastras, Puranas, Ramayana, Mahabharata. All these are the books from where you can try to take the wisdom of life. The basic belief is that wisdom is present in the universe, and when you are enlightening, the universe frequency matches with your frequency, and downloading of those informations is possible. And therefore even the knowledge is being said knowledge only when it has been learnt and has been experienced by your own self. Knowledge is not what we have learned from a book, but what we have learned in our life and has put in the test of experience, and if it has passed the test, then it is the knowledge in Sanatana. And emphasis is always there on self-realization, who you are. The purpose of Sanatana is to find out who you are. And if you are able to realize yourself, we say that life is complete, and now you can move to moksha, the liberation. This is all about Sanatana, and I appreciate your question that you wanted to know what Sanatana Dharma is. Thank you so much.